He's very determined, he's very focused. Even when he was, small, he had the desire to play any sport bigger than he was.
I always knew in my heart of hearts that he was going to be athletic because he was just a runner. He was going constantly, moving constantly.
His desire and his heart actually grew faster than his body. I sort of assisted it in a sense because when we told him in 5th grade he couldn't play football because he was too small. And I think that just lit a fire in his heart, and he was determined from that point on to prove me wrong and prove the coaches wrong and prove everybody else wrong.
Of course, his brother came before him. People remember what he did, but Drew had his own history here at Saint Ignatius High School. So it is certainly a privilege for me to present the 1996 John Woods Athlete of the Year Award to Drew Haddad.
So Drew was the guy that entered and created his own history. That's the simplest way of saying it. And he handled it with skill, enthusiasm, humor, just the excitement to get out there and make his own path to success. And that's what he did.
Third quarter, the crossing pass to Mr. Haddad. Drew Haddad's going to do a great job of getting it deep into Euclid territory right there. And then watch him slant inside. Boom, gets it. Touchdown right there.
He was like the top of everything, whether it was, he even played baseball at the time. Baseball, basketball, football. He was just a great athlete back then. And St. Bernard's, we struggled with St. Angela's back in the day because of Drew.
He goes way back the pass, and he finds Drew Haddad.
And I think early on with Drew, I just appreciated the creativity he brought to the position. If we needed something special to happen, whether it was to make a big play to keep a drive alive, to return a kick that would put us in better field position, it was like, we got this because we've got Drew.
What gains credence in the locker room is what you do on the field. And most importantly, what you do on the practice field. Guys know who the people are who work hard. Guys know who the people are who are smart and clued in all the time. Drew was always the smartest guy. People gravitated to him because of that.
If he plays at any other high school, he might have been a Division I, top Division I wide receiver. Maybe it was one of those things where he got overlooked, but it didn't stop him.
Don't limit yourself, and he's proven it year after year in everything he's touched.
Amazing rookie Drew Haddad. Second time this year he's been in top plays. Second time in preseason he's returning a kick for a score. He also has 8 catches and 1 touchdown.
If I were coaching any team, I would love to have 11, 12 attitudes like Drew has.
If you had 53 Drew Haddads, you'd be in the Super Bowl every single year.
We know we have to pick up the intensity on the offensive side of the ball. The defense has been doing a great job all year, and it's up to us to put the points on the board.
Ignatius means so much to Drew. It means so much to me. It means so much to everyone that walks the halls.
It's still a magical place. I mean, it's unbelievable, just the feelings that you come back and all the memories that come flooding back into your mind. All the great people, the coaches, the teammates, teachers, and it's just the experience that we had while our time at Ignatius. It was a great time.
He's giving back with his time, and he's giving to charity, and he's a family man. He's a great friend. And he is an Ignatius guy, and this is just such a fitting award for him. And I think this is going to be the first of many, too.
It's extremely humbling. I mean, it's exciting and humbling at the same time. A lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, and like I try and teach my children and the kids that I coach, it's all about setting goals and never let anyone tell you that you can't achieve something. And be relentless in your approach and how you pursue those goals on a daily basis. And every day, if you get a win, you'll get closer to that goal.
Congratulations, Dad. We love you.